Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes on IRS.gov. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure a smooth and accurate filing experience. First, we'll look at preparing your documents, then explore the various filing methods available, including free options. Finally, we'll discuss how to submit your return and what to do afterward. This guide will help you navigate the process with confidence, making tax season less daunting for everyone. Before you begin filing, gathering all your essential documents is crucial. Make sure you have your W-2 forms from every employer, detailing your wages and taxes withheld. Also, collect any 1099 forms for income like interest, dividends, or contract work. Don't forget records for potential deductions and credits, such as student loan interest statements or receipts for child care expenses. Being organized saves time and helps ensure accuracy. The IRS offers several ways to file your federal income tax return. If your adjusted gross income is below a specific amount, you might qualify for IRS Free File, which provides free guided tax preparation. For more complex situations, commercial tax software offers comprehensive tools. Regardless of your choice, filing electronically is highly recommended. It ensures faster processing of your return and quicker receipt of any refund you are due, often within 21 days. Once you've completed your return, take a moment to carefully review all the information for accuracy. After electronically signing and submitting, remember to keep copies of your filed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. This is important for your records. If you're expecting a refund, you can easily track its status online using the IRS's Where's My Refund tool, typically updated within 24 hours of e-filing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.